This is how you're going to combine shipping on eBay when a customer orders multiple items by setting up rules. Step 1 is you're going to go to shipping preferences. So from your eBay on the browser, you're going to click on sell to go to your seller dashboard. And then from here, you are going to head over to your selling preferences. So click over here from the left side of your screen. And then from here, you are going to find shipping preferences and you're going to have to click on that. Now, in the shipping preferences, you're going to find the combined shipping rules. And then from here, you're going to click on edit from the right side. And then here, we are going to set shipping rules. So we have three options. We have the flat shipping rule, calculated shipping rule, and promotional shipping rule. So for the flat shipping rule, we're going to click on edit. So this is what you can do if you want to combine items into one package and ship with one flat shipping cost. You can charge them with the highest shipping cost, and then you can add or subtract an additional cost for them. Now, in order for you to set this, you can click on add an amount if you want to add an amount for each additional item, or you can also do subtract an amount. So subtracting means they're going to have a discount. Now you can click on add profile right here, and then you're just going to add the number that you want to subtract from their total shipping cost, and then you're going to add a profile name. Now you can also change this into fixed, or you can also add percentage. Now for the calculated shipping rule, this one is if you ship by weight or size, we are going to pick this. Example, for the base item, weight for first item, then each additional item adds only a part of its weight. And then eBay will calculate total shipping based on your rules so buyers don't overpay. So for example, you can also do this by clicking on discount. You can do combine all item weights. So basically, you're going to have a shipping cost based on one combined weight of all items. Or you can also combine all item weights and then subtract an amount, which means this is like a discount. So again, like what we did with flat shipping rule, you're just going to add a number here on how much you're going to subtract based on the ounces, and then you're going to add a profile name. Now for the promotional shipping rule, this one is for discount. So this applies to all listings with shipping discount. So with this one, it is applied to all listings, and for better search standing, if the item price qualifies for free shipping, list the items with free shipping. So you're just going to set up right here. So for example, you can have minimum purchase price for combined payment, minimum purchase price amount for free shipping. So this one is just giving them an option for free shipping. So this one is like a promo, and that's it. That is how you are going to set rules, and that's how you're going to do combined shipping on eBay when a customer orders multiple items. Once rules are set, combined shipping is automatic for most buyers. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this.